Hey, what's up guys, here's a new glitch now. As you can see on top of the table on 5, but you think it's patched, but it's not, it's a new way. So, here's how to do it. You see, it's me and my friend on top of the table, and as you can see, my friend's running around trying to drag some zombies. And this glitch is kind of pretty, kind of old, like a couple weeks. You see, look at the date on my PS3, as you can see. The glitch is new, so it's not patched yet. And here's how to do it. You see, you grab a lot of zombies and you want to jump on top of them so you can bounce. But when you can have the right to bounce on them, you get that position. You want to bounce back on the table. You see, as my friend trying to do it, you want to get a bunch of zombies. You see, you want to actually drag zombies. And by when they're on the stairs, you want to go up the stairs and jump on them and bounce on them. This glitch is kind of hard and kind of easy. I mean, it's not like impossible. You could actually be done. And let's say if your friend gets down, you could actually revive him through the stairs. Hold on, as you can see. But watch out for the zombies, because they can stalk him up the stairs and hit you there. You see, your friend can get your back, you can throw a monkey, you can do whatever. Give a quick revive. And if you want to know a spot to go, you can go by the elevator. If you don't want to get up here, and you can also grab stuff up here. And you want to go with the position VR, because that's the best spot. And guys, here's a new video glitch, guys. So please subscribe, rate, and comment. And I am putting commentary video tomorrow. And check out my channel, because I have a new picture on the background. And if you guys like it, I can make one for you guys. And thank you, and goodbye.